What's going on, everyone? Welcome to week 3 of our featured Habanos brand of the month. Throughout the entire month of October, we are focusing on the Cuban brand of Bolivar. Now, all of Bolivar's sizes are Totalmente Hermano Triple Lager. That's long filler, totally handmade. And they are a must for all enthusiasts who enjoy a strong flavour. So week 3 sees us move on to the Bolivar Royal Corona. Now this is a visually stunning cigar. The wrapper is smooth and oily, it's got a real nice dark texture to it, and it's absolutely visually stunning. Now I've only just cut and lit, and I'm just moving into the first third of the cigar. And I'm getting some, it's almost medium bodied, it's not so full on straight away. I've got some nice cedar notes moving in with some almost cocoa powder and a real subtle sweet spice that I can't quite put my finger on just yet. I'm going to sit and sip at this for a little while. Join me back at the second third and we'll see where it goes. So I've just moved on to the second third of this cigar, and it's just opening up beautifully. The complexity is really just building and building and building. I'm getting some nice soft leather notes and some milk chocolate that's just lying on the underneath, but it's continuing with that nice sweetness and creaminess all the way throughout. I'm going to see where this goes. I'm going to keep going away at it and see where it takes me. Join me back in a few seconds. So I'm into the final third of this cigar. And wow, it's been absolutely beautiful from first light all the way down to almost the nub. There's been complexity all the way throughout that's never been overwhelming, with dark chocolate, milk chocolate, subtle sweet spice, and that woody note as well that you'd always get with a Bolivar cigar. It has been full bodied, but like I said, it's never been overwhelming at all. And you can purchase your own at C.Gars.com, that's C-G-A-R-S.com. And if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you later on. Peace.